money which is earned by illegally and not paying taxes. And is black money is the result of money laundering and holding and smuggling in India. Black money is the main cause of corruption in India. Yeah, friend, we can say that black money. What is the black money? Black money is where the money have no taxes for in the government. And as you know that, I think that black money is the main cause of the poverty, because in this time we are saying that I think 60% person who was poor and 40% person who had all money in our India. As we know that black money is basically money which is people hide from the government and don't pay tax on them. As we know that it is illegal money earned by legal and criminal activities.
A kind of money which is earned by illegal activities as evading taxes is called a black money, and it is very harmful for our coming generation, because people are using too much black money, and all the criminal activities are doing from that
Black money is the money which is earned by not paying any taxes. The most important cause of black money is corruption the corruption and the illegal activity like smuggling and human.
Yeah, friend, I agree with you. But recently we have seen that our government is taking many steps. Our government did demonetization and they banned 500 and 1000 rupees. And the result of it, black money will diminish day by day, and we can also see that ED has formed to reduce the black money. We can see that ED members can raid everywhere if they.
In my point of view, the money which is earned illegally called black money. It is the result of hoarding, tax evasion, and smuggling. These are the reasons of black money. I think this is the bad for our country. Our country is already facing many type of problems, but black money is put the men who are rich, and money is not running in our country, so our country is facing many type of problem. Our government also taking many steps to remove this type of problem and demonetization which is taken in 2016. But I think it's not effective step.
Yes, I agree with my friends that black money is not a good for our country, and it increase the corruption. The great effect of the black money is that every government, as we all know that every government office run with the taxation, and if we are not paid black money, then it reduces the our country progress, and also increase the corruption of our country, which is the main cause of that our government, our country are not developed as it is more powerful.
Yes,
And
with
with
the
black
many illegal activities like kidnapping and human trafficking are going on, and it is also a kind of corruption, because it begins communal rights with the help of the black money. But black money is basically money people hide and do not pay taxes on them, and this money is earned from illegal activities and criminal activities. All black money hurts the growth of our country and hinders the growth of our country.
Black money is just illegal money, and our government has making many schemes to reduce the black money, like demonetization, and the use of black money is can be used in. And
But
we
it was
can
not
say that
as
in this
affected
time.
as we hope. It was not as affected as we hope. But the government doesn't make us cool. But it's the people corrupts the government.
And
It is
the
not
best
not
in
the
best
best
support
support
in
of
our
government.
country, we can say that in 2012 the 6 lakh crore rupees it was in a foreign banks. And as you know that after the demonetization, we can see that every shopkeeper give the real price of the rate, and every shopkeeper gives the scan product to the to the any person. And I think when the shopkeepers is giving the real tax and giving the real price to the any person,
I think this is also the cause of the decrease of the black money.
Yeah,
Yes,
friend,
I agree with my
I would like
friends.
to go with my friend because we can, if we really want to reduce the black money from our society, we should have to start the digital transactions. It will help us in the reduce the black money.
yeah, friend, I agree with you. We can easily see that the black money people used to the black money people used to buy the MPs and MLA in political parties. India has 10,000 crore black money. The result of it is that we can easily see the poor people are becoming more poor and the rich people are become more richer.
I
I
believe
agree.
people are illegal money and they stored it in abroad and they can settle their life in abroad. As we seen many of example, this Nirav Modi and Vijay Malla.
Many
Yes, I agree
many
with you.
are denying a loopholes of our government because we are saying that government is not taking any tax about the farming and in the farmhouse. And in this time we are saying that many of the companies and many of the also leaders we can say that many of the leaders is taking the money and putting the money in our house and saying to the government that this is the money from the farm.
Yes, I agree with my friends that it is a good demonetization is a good step taken by our government and it reveal all the money. But in my personal opinion, demonetization wants some improvement for the our country's people.
I think hmm.
Scammers use black money in many type of illegal activities, and they can.
Corruption is the main reason of black money. Many people are taking advantage of their power. As many IAS officer, IPS officer, and many MLA and MPs also take advantage of their power, and they earn money which is became in the form of black money.
Election are the main cause of black money. That in elections, many political parties spend more money, and for winning the election, they corrupt and they store the black money in the elections.
It occurs a crime or accident because a person who wants to black money and he will go to the wrong way to earn extra money. It is the main cause of crime.
If we
Government
really
has
want to
to
scrap this, we really want to scrap this problem from our society. Our government should talk to the Switzerland government because we all know that Swiss bank is the main place where people are hiding their money.
We can say that data and government should take a strong decision about it. But we can also say that when the people will be responsible for our country because in this time many of the people and many of the women who are putting the more of the money in a house
Yeah,
and are not giving the
yeah,
tax to the
yeah, friend,
government.
I agree with you. We can see that our government has taken a decision. Our government said that the people who tell about the Swiss bank account, his privacy will be private. If he tell about the black money holder account's name.
I think the main purpose of demonetization is that to change black money into white money. But it's not so effective as it must be. It must be.
Our government was taking a good step for reducing black money is demonetization. But it will be full improvement for demonetization because demonetization will be not conducted in a, in a proper way.
Many scammers use black money, convert black money into white money, use a hawala, and during this, the black money causes the economy lowest the economy growth of because it is not in the report of the government.
As we know that
I
India
agree
is
with you,
top.
friend. If black money is reduced in our country, our economy will be boost and it will promote us to live a good life.
As we know that India is in top 3 list in hiding money. As here people here hide their money in abroad. So if we really want to scrap this problem, our government has to take a bold step against it. Every bank account and every person's account will be checked by government day after day.
It is tough for the government to reduce this type of problem. Many government taking many steps, but it is not so effective because people are doing many wrong way to make money
Friends, we can say that our government is doing a lot of work because our government report to the foreign banks that we have a lot of money in your bank. And in this time, we are saying that I think the more than I think the triple and fourth of the money is stuck in our India also. And we, if we are wanting to progress our country, we should be throw out all money from the sticking where the money is sticking in our country.
But we can try to reduce it because, however, the strict the law, one law cannot remove it. We will stand against it. Like,
At conclusion, I will say that it's a struggling issue of our country. If you really want to say, government should be bold step and also people aware of it. Because if people not aware, it will be never gonna happen.
Yeah, at last I would like to conclude that black money is a curse for us. Our government is trying to remove this from India, and it should be removed out. It should be rooted out from our society.
At last, I would like to conclude by saying that black money is a bad thing for a developing country because our government also has been taking good step for reduce the black money, and it's our responsibility also to we shouldn't earn money by illegal methods. That's a bad thing.
at last, I want to say that governments are doing a lot of work as demonetization, but due to corruption, it is not implemented well. But if we want to reduce the black money from the society, we will have to change our mentality that we will not earn money with any illegal activities.
At last, I want to conclude that black money is a evil for us, and government is trying to reduce the black money. And
At last, I would like to say that if we want to run our country, I think the both tire will be done together. And in one side, one tire will be. I think government should be to take a strict decision about the black money from which is from out of our country, and we should be also responsible that we should take a real price from the any shopkeeper. I think when we will support our government, I think this problem will be reduced.
Finally, we can say that black money is one of the major problems facing our country. It's a really block on our society. It's a people should try to remove it because a law cannot remove it. However, strict the law, it's a really curse for us. The government of our country should negotiate with its people, and the cooperation between people and government should be very good.
And last, in my opinion, black money is the great wall between our country progress and our society. Our government trying their best level, and it is our responsibility that we should take any action because we are a person who take the money for doing any extra work. And at first, we should take our responsibility for reduce like this evil.
I think black money is the big obstacle to progress our country. I think government should make some strict rule and regulation to eradicate this type of problem. In this way, we can make our country healthy and strong.
At last, I want to say that black money hurts our economic growth and hinders the growth of our country. And without black money, our country will grow very soon.